Guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. I'm here now with one of the performers sa Coronation Night ng Miss Universe Philippines 2025. I'm here with Marlo Mortel. Hi Marlo!
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, how are you today?
I'm happy kasi na-launch in a way, parang snippet ng Bedwetter.
Ay, ayun, please tell us what's the main reason why you accepted this opportunity.
Well, number one, of course, who would not accept it? It's a big stage. It's a chance for you to showcase your song along with the girls. And I'm also with Empire right now. Kaya when Mama J asked me to write a song for Miss Universe, agad-agad nagsulat ako ng kanta noong December. So I'm happy that it was finally complete at yung Bedwetter is ready to be performed.
So, we all know that you are famous artist and I'd like to know what's the reason or what empires discovered you.
Okay, so I have been with Empire for a time. So nung I think around 2016 to 2019, ganyan. But sa mga hindi nakakaalam, sila yung nag-produce ng album ko na serye before. Ako yung nagsulat ng all tracks but they produced it under Star Music. Pero I just went a different direction no 2020. So right now, feeling ko ready na ako to go back and then the music department is brand new ulit. So I said baka this is the chance for me to also start and restart my artistry.
So, for how long you been here at the Empire?
Ano lang, I think mga 5 months? Yes.
And what
Presento na.
are you looking forward for this Empire PH?
Sa ngayon, looking forward talaga ako sa Miss Universe Philippines. I mean, it's been always a dream of mine to perform in such a big crowd, na ganyan. And I think as a singer-songwriter, this is the biggest one that I'll be doing.
So, is it you will be performing on the next edition of Miss Universe Philippines? Ano na ba?
Yes, so sa ngayon, ang alam ko, evening gown. I don't know if dapat ba in-announce ko yun, pero evening gown portion, yung Bedwetter. So, it's gonna be a feisty evening gown competition.
Ayun. At syempre, we all know you've seen all the candidates of Miss Universe Philippines. So, what can you say about them?
Actually, hindi ko pa sila nakikita. Hindi pa. But based on mga photos, I think it's gonna be a bloodbath.
Ayun. So far, sino yung napupusuan mo doon?
Sa
Ano lang,
ngayon,
describe mo lang.
sa ngayon kasi hindi ko sila nakikita pa talaga. Pero I do know one person. Kilala ko si Winwin. Nung nag-start pala ako sa showbiz. So sa ngayon, I think
Wait.
siya for me. But when I get to see the rest of the candidates, dun ko mas malalaman pa.
Well, aside from, your singing career, what else are the opportunity na pumasok sa'yo? Like sa pageantry?
Ah, alam mo ba, sa tagal ko sa industry, ang hindi ko nagawa is pageant and of course modeling. Ayun talaga hindi ko nagawa at hindi ko pa nai-imagine. So I don't know in the future, but definitely for me pageant parang hindi siya for me. Pero ngayon, ang gusto ko lang malaman ng mga tao is dapat nila abangan yung album ko which will come out this year as well under Star Music.
Itong Bedwetter, what inspires you to compose it?
Oo, kasi alam mo yung feeling na pag you're with that person, parang ang sarap lang na maghiga sa kama, mag-cuddle, or even just, the comfort that that person brings. Gusto ko maramdaman nila yun through the song.
Yeah. And lastly, of course, yung message mo sa mga supporters mo.
Oh yeah, sa mga support till now, thank you very much from my acting to hosting to now singing fully, singing songwriting. You're still there and I am gonna make you proud, guys. Dahil madami pa ako mga plano for the rest of the year as well. Ito muna yung Miss Universe yung abangan natin. And sana supportahan niyo yung Bedwetter performance.
And syempre, ang ating Miss Universe Philippines
Yes!
candidate.
Setting aside the song, I really do wish the girls the best of luck kasi I know how much this means to them. And yung buong Empire, yung buong Miss Universe Philippines team headed by, of course, Jonas Gapod, I wish you all the luck and love in the world.
Thank you, Marlo.
Thank you.
So guwapo in person.
Thanks.
Thank you.